Hey, hey, my friends. Long time no live. So I am in Savannah, Georgia for Chalk Couture Leadership, and I'm about to go into the art gallery. So I thought I would take you guys along with me, especially since I haven't done a live in forever, but that is going to change in 2021. So I'm going to show you some of the new goodies that are coming out in the spring catalog next month. My hair's a little crazy. And I'm breathing weird because of this mask, but don't you like my sparkly mask? Had to make it cute. So anyway, I'm gonna flip you guys around. Let me know what you think. There's some fun stuff. I've already looked through the catalog. So let's go in and take a look. Alrighty, so check this out. This is the new welcome sign. It does come with that cute little chicken rooster. And I love how the letters have a 3D look. Look at that. I'm gonna make this board. I'm telling you what. So that is the new welcome sign. Thanks, Stacy. You like my mask? All my masks are Disney or Harry Potter, so I thought I would get something else. So this is the new Watts of Love transfer that I love. And here are those amazing wings. These are 12 by 18. I love these. I can't wait to play with that one. This is actually on a notebook. I love that. And I'm probably not going to do a ton of talking just because I feel like I'm muffled with my mask, and I'm just going to let you guys take all this in. Although knowing me, I probably will talk because I'm kind of a talker. Look at these colors. These colors, there's a lot of this in the new catalog, and I just love all these colors together. The yellow and that peachy color and the green. Oh, look at this. I somehow missed this in the catalog, this Irish blessing. I love this. This is on our metal tray. Love that lighthouse. And look at this. I love this. My daughter Olivia is gonna love this. I'm gonna have to tag her in this video. And look at the new shimmer. I don't know if you can tell, that shimmer. A new color of shimmer paste. I love that. Very true. Every crafter has said this. And look at this cross. I love that. Oh, and you guys, check this out. New bunny cutouts. Aren't they adorable? Look at these guys. So the transfer that goes with this faces this way. And then look at, you can paint the other side or use one of the background transfers. Look at this, it's so cute. And look what they did with the little cut aparts. How cute that is. And check out one of the new wreaths. Actually, look at, there's two of them. Look at that. It's amazing. That's a lot bigger than I thought. It's good to note that you should pay attention to sizing in the catalog. Oh, and here's another one. Check out this. This actually isn't a wreath. It's just this leaf transfer, and then they've put it in the shape of a wreath. I love that one. That's on a canvas. Oh, check this out, guys. I wonder if they painted with the paste. It almost looks like they painted with the paste right onto the palette board and then chalked. Love this one too. Seize the day. Look at that. There's that sunshine. Look at the difference between the black on the chalkboard and then the white background. They chalked a little tag and it looks like they cut it shorter. That's cute. Look at all these cute little tags. We got one of our little pennant banners and a little makeup bag. Life is better at Grandma's house. I love that on that orange mug. Check that out. That's on our diagonal board, our diagonal palette board. Looks like almost like they whitewashed it a bit. This is a new surface. Love that. I think we've done a lot of this over the last year, huh? Inhale, exhale. Repeat. I love this. Just you and me and the dogs. So what do you guys think so far? Amazing, isn't it? Let me know down below what you think. Let's continue. Check this out. Love that. That's on canvas. Here's our heart cutouts. These are actually already available, so you can get those on the website right now. So there's different backgrounds on those. Look how fun that is. Here's a new background using one of the round masks on it. Love that. Oh, I know what the holdup is. Everybody's slowing down for one of the new surfaces. Wait till you see it. Let me just say 2 words. Vintage truck. Probably one of the ones that I am most excited about, aside from, I think, the bunny rabbits. This one excites me the most. Wait till you see it. We're almost there, so let me flip you back. There we go. Oh, and there's a new monogram. It's the skinny monogram. How fun that is. You'll be able to fit more onto a surface because they're thinner. Look at this with the shimmer. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see the shimmer. The shimmer paste. Love that. And check this out. Oh my gosh. I love that. We used to have a transfer that was kind of similar to that, a little bit different. And we'd have to make our own different layers. But now it comes with those. I love that. Oh, and you guys, check this out. Look at that cute little beaver. He's so cute. Oh my gosh. Our Canadian friends. Oh, look at this. Go. Okay, you guys ready? You ready? You ready? Ta-da! Look at that. Truck cutouts. There's also the cutout, the base. You can get the base, the truck, and these little add-on pieces that go on top. How stinking adorable is that? Look at that. Now, do you notice something else? Look at, we've got a truck going one way, and we've got a truck going another way. So now the transfer will go both directions. I'm so stinking excited for that. Wait, is that a throwback from the original? Watermelons? Mmm. Check this out. Check out the growth chart. There's that great transfer again. Oh, hey, look at our view out there. Check that out. It's supposed to rain today, but then it's supposed to be real nice the rest of the weekend. Okay, back to chalk. These out. And do you see this? New font. Check out that shimmer. Oh, I just love the colors on this. Check that out. Look at that. They've used a background transfer on the hearts. So it doesn't just have to be for Valentine's Day, those heart cutouts. Oh, look at that with the tassels. How cute is that? These are all new transfers that fit perfectly in the either the house cutouts or the 5x5 surfaces. There's that new welcome sign again. See how they've used the new round cutouts. See how flat they are? Perfect for these boards. Here's the square ones. See how flat they are? You can see how. I just want to show you. See how flat they are? I love this new general store transfer. Fun is that?
Oh, yes, new surface. I'm not sure if this is it, but they already have those new cutout surfaces and they're thin. So they're similar to I think like the large tag surfaces or the tags, similar to that material. they're gonna have
Oh, I forgot to show you guys. Right over there you can see them, but here you can see it again. Here's a new surface. This is a 5x7 cutting board surface. How stinking cute is that? That's a brand new surface coming in the new catalog. Here's a few more. Aren't these adorable? I love these. I think these would make great gifts. Maybe with a packet of cookie mix and a spatula. How stinking cute would that be? Oh, this is me. This is totally me. This is another new background transfer. I just love, love, love this. How cute is that for a laundry room? And then of course the Endless Laundry Company. If you notice, if you follow my page, you'll see that I actually put that on my laundry room door, if you remember. This just cracks me up. All right, we got a few more. Check this out. I love that suitcase. This is another new fun background. I love this one. And check out these cute farm animals. All right, my friends. So that is a look at what is coming in February for Chalk Couture. If you notice in the art gallery, everything that we looked at wasn't just chalkboards. It was chalkboards and pillows and table runners and shirts and cutting boards and found surfaces and glass, ink, chalk, so many things that you can use our transfers on. It's not just about chalkboards. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you watch it later, make sure you comment hashtag replay so I know you're watching it in the replay. And I think we're about to go back for some more business meetings. I gotta check what time it is. I think that is it, my friends. So if you have any questions about any of the products, surfaces, transfers, chalk pastes, if you want a catalog, make sure you comment, because I will be ordering catalogs. If you're a paper person like me and you like to thumb through a book, I feel like I always get the crazy eyes when I'm wearing a mask because I'm like, because you can't see my face when I'm smiling. I try to smile with my eyes. So anyway, I am rambling. I'm going to head off to business meetings. If you have any questions, let me know. And I will be back to hopefully share more this weekend. So I'll chat with you guys later. Bye.